Hi.
Hey, buddy. Can you help me out something real quick? Can you get a couple more officers?
What's going on?
Somebody said they're going to hurt my family. They wanted me to hurt kids, and I can't do it.
Okay.
So I got to do this.
Whoa! No. That is not what you gotta do. That was some movie stuff. Somebody said they were gonna hurt my family and I don't want to hurt kids. So basically what you're saying is somebody said if you don't do XYZ, we're gonna hurt your family. An unlikely story. What? As soon as he would have said that, I would have been like, you want me to get some more officers? Sure. I don't need you to talk anymore, nigga. Because if you want that, I'm gonna give you exactly what you want.
On November 17th, 2022, outside the Ross County Sheriff's Office in Ohio, security cameras captured a man aimlessly circling the building before approaching the back door and knocking on the window. After briefly walking away, he would eventually be greeted by Sergeant Cochran. Within seconds, the encounter would take a dramatic turn that Ross County deputies would never forget.
Hi.
Hey, buddy. Can you help me out something real quick? Can you get a couple more officers?
What's going on?
Somebody said they're going to hurt my family. They wanted me to hurt kids, and I can't do it.
Okay.
So I got to do this.
Whoa. Put that
You
down.
left the door open, dude? Put that down? Oh. Yeah. He's not black.
Put it down. Put it down. Put it down, buddy. Put it down.
Thank you. What are you doing? Ooh. Oh.
No shot.
You're shot?
I'm shot.
You can hear that, bitch?
Who shot me?
You shot in the you don't have on a vest?
Yes.
Is he gone?
No, he ran out the door.
Dude. Where is all these people's instincts? Does Ohio just take people's instincts away from them, bro? This man said all of that, and you kept on engaging with him. You didn't think that was strange? And then he just told you he got shot in the chest, and you want to hover over him instead of getting to cover, to safety yourself? When he asks where he's at, he's still right there with the weapon. And you want to still stay in the line of fire where he just got shot? You think he just ran? No, he's overweight. He fell where he got shot at, boy. You need to protect yourself. Let him do what God wants him to do. Yes, he got shot, bitch ass nigga. Does he have a gun? Yes. He's laying on the ground with his gun out. Shot. What the fuck else could he have, nigga? An arrow?
Keep your Cochran, keep your.
Does he have a bow and arrow? A slingshot?
No. Ah!
Where you shot at?
The chest, man. You don't listen?
Right in
You
the
don't need
chest?
to be a
I gotta get you moved
nothing.
to cover. Is he down?
Nigga, you don't see that man on the floor?
Stop, keep your gun on. CBD.
No. I'm in the chest.
Nigga, if somebody is, what the fuck? Where is this? Ross County? Never going there in my, I don't even want to fly over that motherfucker, bro. It's 4 people in this situation. All of them are dumb. And Cochran, if you passed away, my bad. I don't know if he's alive or not. I'm not talking about you after. I'm talking about you during. If you're no longer in the land of the living. Bitch, if he's laying on the ground, nobody who's laying on the ground is ever okay. Why are you asking this nigga if he's okay? A police officer laying on the ground, a regular person laying on the ground is never okay. But a police officer laying on the ground is not okay. Nigga, what the fuck? Nobody called for the ambulance yet?
In the chest?
In the chest. Right there outside the
Gives a
door.
fuck.
All available units, please go out 150 more 427. Was shot in the hallway. Shot in the hallway.
Where are you shot at?
You just answered the door
Outside the door.
because he was white.
Where are you shot at?
In the
The
chest.
In the chest. Okay. I'm gonna roll you, okay? I'm gonna roll you.
Can you keep your hand on me? Gallagher. Gallagher.
Where?
Take his gun. Suspect's outside. Suspect's outside. Who's in there?
I don't know.
What do they look like?
He's laying right there outside the door. I hit him.
He's bleeding.
I hate him.
Where are your papers? Help.
Yeah, what the fuck?
I believe he's code 16 outside.
Where's your vest?
I didn't have it on.
So why are you answering the motherfucking door at a police station if you don't have your vest on today? Nigga, what? Cause let me guess. Cause he looked like you and you didn't think he would do some stupid shit. Why do you think, nigga? If he came to a door where you cannot open unless you are authorized to open that door, why are you opening that door? And why do they have those big ass windows right there? Why are you opening the door for somebody who came to the back of the police station instead of going to the public entrance? What the fuck is wrong with you? I didn't have it on today.
One suspect. One of our units.
We know. I know what they do.
You got cuffs.
Here, Gallagher.
Eric, we got this.
Stay down.
I got him.
Cuffs, Tommy?
Yeah, cuff him
I
up.
got it. You cuffing, you want to cuff it?
You got it. Go ahead.
I'm sending one that way now.
Lazy, nigga. All you have to do is walk to the other side of the building. This nigga pulled up in a fucking taxpayers' dollars, man. All you have to do is take the elevator and walk down some stairs.
Charlotte, hey, look at me. Look at me. Open your eyes. Open your eyes.
Hey, squeeze
Talk
my
to me.
hand. Squeeze my hand.
Talk to me.
He's overweight.
Where'd you
and
hit
he
at,
got
Gallagher?
fucking-
I don't know
he
yet,
had
bud.
breathing problems.
I think I'm hit twice.
Okay, twice.
I'm gonna look, okay?
Headquarters have EMS start in. We got it secured in the back.
Eric's inside,
They're
and we
still-
got him. Eric's in there.
You see this, y'all? The ambulance didn't even come for the police. And the ambulance and the fire department and the police station in this little ass town are probably fairly close.
We got you, Bubba. We got you, brother. Hey, we have a medic coming down. It might go over.
No, stay down. Stay down. Stay down.
The gun's right here, Dobby.
Where'd he hit? You see where he's hit it right there? He's hit on the side of the head there.
Damn, on the side of the head. We got some head shooters. Ain't no leg shooters. Okay. Cochran. Getting cocky with it. Cochran getting Sergeant
Towel or
Glock.
something for Blair. What do you need? You need some towels to hold against his head on the left side there if we can.
Where's he hit at in the head?
He's in the left side of the head.
Got his ass.
Any idea what happened?
Headquarters, tell him to come in. We got a deputy that's shot. They need to get in here.
He's hitting the left side of the head.
Boom, man. Shots. Give me the shots from the double Glock. Come on, Cochran. Come on, Glockran.
Right here.
Hit him in
I'll
the
look up
face.
the
You
deputy
gonna
over
shoot
there.
at me, boy?
Take your shirt, okay?
He peeked his ass.
Headquarters, we need 2 medics here. 1 for the suspect, too.
I don't see anymore.
One for the suspect. Let him
I got it. I got you.
go. You gonna take him to prison that bad? You gonna save
No,
his
guys.
life?
Eric, open your eyes.
Look at me. Look at me, bud.
I think he
moving.
survived.
Keep squeezing my hand.
Okay, there's that one hole on the side, so I know if that's it.
Keep breathing, bud.
Yes.
You married,
that's
kids or
probably it.
anything?
I think he has kids.
In the head.
He got it injured in the head.
I'm covering the hole. I know.
We're not.
Right here.
Find an exit one, but there isn't.
There's no exit.
Searched him. He had more weapons on him.
I just searched that one pocket. I couldn't get to the other side there. That's the only side I got right there. I couldn't get on the left side.
Let me make sure you don't have more weapons on him.
Ready? I got your arm, me. Everybody good?
Ohio State pocket knife. I know that. I want to see his point of view. Between your legs.
One more time, Eric.
Yeah, he got popped.
There you go. Attaboy.
Attaboy, Bubba.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hey, hold on. Easy. Let me get out.
I got it.
That man is not trying to revive.
Hey, let's get him a helicopter.
Damn, you got a helicopter, but it took 10 minutes for the EMS.
Yeah, have to start back flight towards
That must be scary as hell. You just got shot in the chest. Now you got to get in the ambulance to go to a helicopter. Nigga, hell no. If you knew all of this, why didn't you have your vest on it? Come on, man. Come on, brother.
Eric, I'm Jenna. We're worried about you guys in.
Hold on.
What are they gonna do? Sedate him?
As dozens of officers arrived at the station to tend to the suspect and document the crime scene, Sergeant Cochran was being transported to the hospital with a gunshot wound to the chest. His condition remained unknown, and his survival was uncertain. Deputies on scene had no idea what the next update would bring.
I don't feel anything else on him.
He stopped breathing.
10 minutes.
You see that he's still gasping.
He was gasping for a minute, but he stopped that now.
Whoa, he stopped breathing?
I'm gonna let go of pressure. You want me to let go? Keep holding.
We'll just carry him on the cot.
It's good he moved away from the gun here.
The suspect or the officer?
Yeah, the suspect shot in the head.
Oh, yeah, he's
They're going to be doing
out.
practice here in a second.
Okay. Watch your foot. Watch your foot.
I'm going to roll into his back.
Hey, watch your foot there.
This
Don't tell.
nigga sat there and plant that all night. What time is it? 5:30 in the afternoon? Yeah, he planned saying that all night. He definitely, that sounded scripted. He sounded like he practiced that in the mirror a couple
Not
times.
lost. They saved the search for weapons. Yeah, we did a brief search of him. Yeah.
I checked the pockets the best I could.
We got casings
Can
here.
you guys clear out of here for us if you don't mind?
Yeah.
It's on
We're
camera,
going
bro.
to tape this
Who
off here.
Yep.
I'll grab some tape in here, Brock.
We need to make this a crime.
I got you right here. I got tape.
cares? Imagine that. He must have passed away.
We're going to turn. Hold on. Be ready. We're going to turn. Right here. There we go. We're almost there, pal.
What is this helicopter? What is,
Yeah, I had him on him, and they took him off when they transported. They got blood all over him, so I'm just sitting there.
he's still there? Damn, they really don't care to move him.
Sir, his body cam's still active. I didn't take time for that.
That's fine. I'm going to put this in my car. Okay. We can't walk through here. There's shell cases everywhere. You got to walk around front.
It's only
Watch your
5.
step here. Got all up here. There's shell cases all by the door. They're right inside there, too. The first casing's up here by the door. So that's where the first casing starts at. That I seen anyway.
Got your light?
Yes.
Shine that on there for me.
Put a Ruger 380, looks like.
380.
The suspect, 42-year-old Nicholas Mitchell, who opened fire that
42?
afternoon, later died from a
He was
gunshot wound to the head. Because he did not survive, investigators were never able to determine a clear motive for the attack. Sergeant Eric Cochran was shot once in the chest near the end of his shift, at a time when he wasn't wearing his ballistic vest. Without that protection, the injury was nearly fatal. Cochran spent 27 days in the hospital, 8 of them in a coma. When he finally woke, he was unable to communicate due to multiple complications and breathing tubes, a struggle that sent him into a deep mental health spiral. He would go on to survive, but the impact stayed with him long after he left the hospital. Those early days of recovery would later become a driving force behind the creation of the Cochran Strong Foundation.
Our main purpose is
Cochran Strong Foundation. So he wasn't able to communicate. So he went crazy because he couldn't tell you, no, I said a double quarter pounder, not a quarter double pounder. Ah! Nah, but that's not funny. He was not able to communicate, so he went to a mental health institute. I mean, I could only imagine. I mean, I don't know. I've never been anything. I mean, he just got popped at his job at the end of his shift. He probably had to use the bathroom and was like, oh, who's this? Let me just handle this real quick. Damn. End up trying to be a nice guy, man. That's what happens, Eric Cochran. That's crazy. That's a crazy name. I don't think that flows very well at all. Eric Cochran. Nah. But at the end of the day, yeah, man, I don't think he deserved it. I'm not trying to say I'm pro-police or anything like that, but he was just chilling. He probably didn't even take his job seriously at all, to be honest with you, because if he did, he wouldn't be overweight.
will be to promote mental health.
The Cochran Strong Foundation is an
Okay, that's what's up. But it is what it is. It's not what it's not. It's Aaron Moses. I'm the bang. You the bang. We the bang together, man. We would not be promoting any police activities on here. Life is in the breath. Breathe it in. Peace. Gang, gang.